Try to save time on the video here. All right, we're on the bid 43 in the pound here. You can see the numbers right here. 43 half, we're in there. You can see, okay. We just got filled on that. Okay, so now we're flat again. We made 800. We're up $859 for the day on the pound. I think we made 300. We made $300 on the first trade, roughly, and that was a repositioning trade. And then we just made 500 right here. I'm going to leave this sell order in because I would like to sell up there, so I'm going to leave that there. And we're going to go back to the yen. Here we are. Strategy's still the same. Going to keep pausing. We don't want the video to get too long. Plus, I don't want to bore you guys sitting here just watching price action. Stocks are getting ready to open in 10 minutes. It's 9:20. I forget how long we've been trading. When did we start? About 8? 7:30? I can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to pause and I'll resume momentarily. Okay, we may get filled on our second tranche in the yen, which we just did. Okay, so now we're long 900 of the yen. We're going to, well, this is the British pound yen pair, I should point out. Yes, we are going to place our sell order there. Okay, now we shall watch this one, see where we wind up. Go back to, here's where the pound is, still sort of moving around in this range. Of course, we're flat the pound right now, so we have to keep our eye on that one too for potential trades. Stock market just opened. Interesting. Opened down after being up on the jobs report, up 200,000. You'd think that would have been some decent news, but obviously they were expecting more. Huh. I think 200 up 200 is pretty dang good for this economy. Anecdotally, anybody you speak to is worried about it. People are still losing jobs. So, that's where that is. Back to the currencies. Well, actually, sorry about that. It's our portfolio right now. The only currencies we've traded today are the pound dollar and the pound yen. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause this recording and pick the action back up momentarily again. Okay, it's 11:15. You can see that our yen, our last buying tranche was well, we bought 500 right here. Well, actually, we bought 400 right there, and then I bought another 100 right here. We continued to sell off. You can see our break even is up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to ratchet this break even down, and then hopefully get, as long as I possibly can for what might be a potential, rally, or at least a retracement. I shouldn't say a rally coming up. Or I might, if we run back up here, might be able to get short the market. So what I'm going to do is I've got an order right here on the red to sell 300,000 at 75. So what we'll do is we'll start selling, and then the market retraces back. We'll buy again. So what our objective is to bring our break-even line down closer to where the price action is. Obviously, the euro, as you can see, our euro skidded off the face of the earth, and we're flat on it though. Haven't traded that since earlier today. So we're concentrating our efforts right now in this one. But there's obviously some day trading opportunity, presenting itself in the British pound. Did I say euro a minute ago? I think I did. In the pound. So let's see if we're going to get 75 bid, take out 300 of our mill. Okay, we're on the bid, or we were. I mean, we're on the ask. Need some more coffee. Okay, there's our 300 right here. We're currently down about $3,500 on this Japanese yen trade. Well, we're down 3,500, I should say, for the day on the Japanese yen. We made 800 on the pound, so basically, you know, $2,800. We're down 2,800 for the day right at the moment. But it's only 10 minutes till 11. We've got time. Plenty of time. And it's Friday, though. The market's going to close at 5. And they're not going to reopen till Sunday night. So we don't have the night session tonight. All right, now what we're going to do here is we're going to buy those 300. Oh, I've already got an order in. We're going to buy those 300 back right there. 12 pips lower than where we just did that transaction. Okay, so that's where we stand at the moment. I'll pause again for time consideration, and we'll pick up the action shortly. Actually, I should have said that if we continue to rally, I need to go ahead and get an order in here. We'll sell another 200 right about there. All right, and then what we'll do is, if we retrace back, we'll buy 500. That'll put us long $1 million again. Okay, so I'll pause. I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Decided to move this sell order that I had way up here, and we would have been nice to be able to get short the market there, obviously, but we wouldn't have held on for all of this. I mean, that's not the style of trading the currencies that I do, unless it's a position trade, which is few and far between. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to sell 500 right here and then try to buy them lower, obviously. Don't expect the market to come all the way back at once. You know, it's going to take a few bars of up and down action, probably. Okay, so I meant to leave this big. Okay, I know this video is getting long, but hey, a lot of things to show, a lot of things going on. Okay, so I'll pause. I'll be back. Okay, we just sold our additional 200 in the yen. Okay, so now we're long 500. Now, I want to change our buy order to 500. Back down here. If we keep rallying, let's see here. If we keep rallying immediately, I'm going to take out the remaining 500 that we're long right here. Alrighty. Yeah. Right here. I'll take out the other 500 right here. Okay. That'll put us in a if we sell the 500 right here without buying back down here. If it keeps going up and we sell right here, that'll put us basically at a loss of $500, only $500 on the yen, and our $800 gain on the British pound. So that'll put us up 300 for the day, which, you know, it's not our goal just to make 300, but our goal is not to lose money either. So we're going to keep trading, and in fact, let's take a look-see. Here's our portfolio. Only problem with looking at the yen, the British pound yen, is that it prices it in yen on the profit and loss. But I can tell you that you can add about $800 to this. So in other words, move the decimal. So in other words, you could consider this down 2,200, but you need to add 800. So really, it's down that's about down $3,000. Okay, plus we made 850. So we're down 2,200 on the day right now, unfortunately. But it's not going to stay that way. Okay, we're getting ready to get short. There we go. Okay, now we're short 500 of the British pound, as you can see right here. Put our buy order in, cover those back down there. Go back and check our yen. You know what I'm going to do? I need to put the yen on here. Okay, here's our yen up here. Here's our pound down here. Where do we sell those at? 22. No, 12. Sorry. Can't read. Sold them at 12. 12.2. All right, 15, 16. We'll hang there. And yes, as always, if the market continues to rally, we'll sell some more. I thought I had an order in this yen to sell. Didn't I say I was going to sell 500? Yeah, how come I never... What happened to that order? Don't know. All right. There we go. Okay. Here we are. Back in a little while. Okay, since we're only trading in the currencies today, since we're only trading the British pound USD, the US dollar pair, and the British pound Japanese yen pair, what I decided to do is just go ahead and create a new view here. So we've got both the British pound dollar is right here. You can tell by the symbol up here, right here. And over here, we've got the British pound Japanese yen. What we want to happen is we want this market to continue to rally, the pound dollar, so that we can sell another 500. I need to fix that. It's a safety factor that I have for myself. Okay, we want to sell another 5 here. We want this market, this yen, we want it to rally also, okay, so that we can sell the 500 of it. What that'll do is that'll take us flat the yen, and we'll be short 1,000,000 on the pound, okay? Then, obviously, what we want to occur is we want the market to sell back off, where we'll cover our pound, okay, however amount we're short. We'll cover the pound, and then we'll buy the yen as it sells off. So that's our game plan. That's our strategy, okay? And our tactics that we're using in our strategy is that we're already short 500 of the pound. We're long 500 of the yen. We want to sell 500 more of the pound up here, and we want to sell 500 of the yen here. Okay, so that's our tactics we're using inside our strategy. Okay, that's it. Be back with you in a minute. Okay, we might get filled here selling our additional tranche of the British pound. As you can see, we're on the offer. It's bid 34. Missed plenty of trades though by 1 pip. We'll see though. We got a little bit of buying pressure here. Look at that. 5 pips away on our yen. It's enough to get under your skin, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to pause again. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, the only thing to do is close both of them and then reposition in the yen. So, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to buy my 500. And buy those 500 here. Okay. Okay, that takes us flat on that. Now, here's what I want to do. Let's see here. Okay. That'll reestablish us with an initial short. We'll do it like this. Okay. So there we are. Super fine. All right. All right, we're still down on the day. We are, let's see, 90, 19, 27, 25. Okay, we're down about 2,400 on the day. Let's see if we can't rectify that. Okay, I'll be back with you when there's more to see. Okay, it's 11 minutes after 11. I mean after 1. 11 after 1, we're back at it here. A little consolidation in these currencies. We just entered a sell order. We sold our initial tranche of the pound yen here at, what do we sell them at? 92. We got our buy order in below the market. And if we continue to go up, we're going to put an additional sell order in there. So that remains to be seen. And I'm going to pause and I'll be back when we get close to an order being filled or some action that needs to be taken. Okay, as we continue on here, it's now 2:45 in the afternoon. I just covered a short in the yen here. Just bought 500 at 74.5. We sold at 92 a little while ago. I forgot to turn the recorder on at that time. Let's go look at our transaction log for today. Okay. Right here. Okay, this was at 13.10. Okay, we sold 500 of the pound yen at 92. 79. How do we buy those at oh. Okay, I had the order in at 79, not 74. I thought it was in at 74. That's interesting. Oh, I've got an additional buy order in here at 74. I had two of them. Okay. That's not what we want. Okay, so anyway, did that. It looks like today might turn out to be a losing day for us in the currencies, but the good news is that we're only down about 1,600 for the day after being down about 5,000 early on or this morning after the news. But the day's not over yet. It's 2:45. Markets are open till 5. If there's another opportunity that presents itself, we'll try to claw our way back to even and beyond. But this will mark the first losing day in the last, the last 3 weeks. So can't complain about that. So anyway, that's where we stand right now. There's the markets. So if there's anything else to report today, I'll certainly film it. Otherwise, it's Friday. Hope everyone has a good weekend, and we'll see if I come back. If not, then we'll talk to you later. The end. Thank you for watching.